Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Make sure your Hisense model lists AirPlay 2 and you've installed the latest firmware. Once done, connect the TV and your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to the same Wi-Fi network so they can see each other. Next, open the TV settings, go to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, and enable AirPlay. This allows incoming streams. Doing these steps first removes common network and permission blockers before you attempt to mirror or stream. Now you start streaming. On an iPhone or iPad, swipe to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and pick your Hisense TV. On a Mac, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar and choose the TV. Once connected, you can control playback, volume, and orientation from your device, which sends commands to the TV. If an app blocks mirroring, use the app's native AirPlay button instead. Make sure to keep both devices on the same network while media streams to avoid drops. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or click the AirPlay icon on your Mac and disconnect. This frees bandwidth and returns the TV to its normal input. For privacy, set an AirPlay code or require device verification in the TV's AirPlay settings so only authorized devices can connect. If the TV doesn't appear or playback stutters, restart the TV and your device, confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi band, and update firmware. This resolves most connectivity and compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.